Hello everybody, today we will be unboxing the Palmetto State Armory AK104. It's already been unboxed, but I want to show you guys what's inside of the box. So you get a PMAG, a Palmetto State sticker. In the manual there's another sticker, which is the triangle sticker that looks really cool. And here it is. It's very clean looking. I feel like they're doing a better job now with their AKs. But we'll see once we go to the range. Here I have the AKTF brace, which is the updated version, and I will be doing a test on it to see how good it holds up, and I will update you guys on how it's treating me. Hopefully it doesn't snap on me. But I'm glad that SB Tactical sent me a replacement, and here's the AK again. Looks very nice. I can't wait to take it to the range. Looks very, very nice. But yeah guys, I just wanted to show you guys how it looked. I'll keep you guys updated on how it's doing, how many rounds it has, as well as how this brace is doing. So take care guys.